that? That's the sound of your door automatically unlocking as you return home. Introducing the Bosma Aegis, a new smart home door lock, which locks and unlocks using your phone's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and automatically locks when the door is closed. In fact, this lock will alert you if your door is left open, doing so without the use of an external sensor. The Bosma Aegis is one simple and versatile piece of hardware. Your physical keys will still work fine, but this lock does a whole lot more. Pair it with the Bosma Sentry Snap-on fingerprint scanner, and you can even unlock your door with the press of a finger, or unlock your door from your phone while you're away. It's easy to share access with your family members and grant temporary access to your friends or guests. And with the activity history, you'll always know who's coming and going. Complete with unbreakable AES 128 encryption, no one gets in your home if you don't want them to be there. Easy to install in a matter of minutes using only a screwdriver, the Bosma Aegis is made specifically for the standard US deadbolt, ideal for renters who may not be able to alter their door's locks. You hear that? That's the sound of peace of mind.
Speaking in front of people didn't always come easy. Took years of working at it. When you're practicing, it's the little things. The beats, the rhythm, the perfect pauses.
You always want your presentation to be part of a conversation.
It's difficult getting teenagers to concentrate, especially first thing in the morning. But I find that if I can focus on them, it helps them stay focused on me.
As soon as you lose eye contact, you lose that connection you worked so hard to create.
The nervous anticipation hasn't gone away, it's just kind of changed into excitement.
Couldn't imagine doing anything else.
This is my moment.
And this is my mile.
Just a few months ago, we started wearing surgical masks. As you experienced, it doesn't bring you comfort and isn't a recycled item. This is why we created AirZ. AirZ is an air purifier with 3 airflow speeds and ergonomic design. AirZ is easily operated for daily use. For indoor and in-flight, Speed Mode 1 can bring you nice and quiet. For outdoor area, Speed Mode 2 can keep you breathe steady while walking. Speed Mode 3 is ideal for doing exercise. The filter for AirZ can be used about 5 days and performs ASTM 2101 standard. Filter can be replaced with ease. AirZ supports fast charging. 2 hours charge gives you 5 hours of continuous use, and it only weighs 97 grams.
In the 21st century, we have many gadgets for our leisure, work, and productivity. Sometimes it is far too many. Meet Solman, notepad equipped with solar panels, wireless power bank, global Wi-Fi hotspot, and eco-friendly paper. Solman is the most advanced notepad there can be, and it would always be charged and ready for you. Multiple solar panels ensure that Solman's 12,000 mAh battery is always juiced up. With Solman, you will never run out of juice. Providing charging to the multiple devices simultaneously, Solman becomes your working station. Use the full surface of the Solman to charge multiple devices wirelessly as well. With the extended power profile, get faster wireless charging than from regular Qi chargers. With Solman, you would not need to delay your calls. Turn Solman into your working desk anywhere you want. Solman compromises the productivity and high-profile design. The Embed Hotspot would ensure you always have that internet connection in the time of need.
Hi everybody, how's it going? Today I want to show you how to get the most out of your Keypix printer. Using these 4 simple steps will help you get great results. Set your phone screen brightness to maximum. Don't forget to change auto lock on iOS or sleep for Android to 5 minutes. Don't forget to turn off auto brightness on iOS or automatic brightness for Android. Use screen lock to keep pictures from rotating. Remember, just use these 4 steps to get the most out of your KeyPix printer.
Measurements are integral to our everyday lives, but they can put us into risky and tricky situations, or require someone else to help gauge those lengthy distances. But here's a change by Magpie Tech VH80. Now, you can get out of that risky spot and don't need a helping hand to determine long distances. VH80 measures in not one, but 2 directions. From one press of a button, you can acquire the left, right, and total value at once, saving you precious time and energy on every move, and allowing you to work with greater efficiency by making you the focal point. Also, your measurements can be instantly updated to your smart device with our Sketch application.
Meet SunTable, the world's only solar-powered induction charging table with 360 degrees of sound by JBL. SunTable is the ultimate outdoor companion, allowing you the freedom to charge, chill, and play your music anywhere you go. Designed to live either inside or out, SunTable provides a constant source of renewable energy for your phone, other devices, and its built-in Bluetooth speakers, meaning you'll never have to bring speakers outdoors again. SunTable's induction charger is cleverly located beneath the table, keeping your phone out of sun's way and cool as it charges. And if you don't have an induction charging device, no problem. SunTable also charges via USB. Elegant yet resilient, SunTable not only pleases the eye, but can also endure the uses and rigors of everyday life, including water, so you can safely use it at the pool or at the beach. Basically, SunTable can go wherever you go. By combining a table, solar power, induction charging, and music into one device, we believe we can improve human life outdoors while at the same time improving the planet.
Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened.
in the midst of a pandemic, we've decided to present you with an already rolling project which will enable us to work together with the common aim of fighting the virus that is taking human lives all over the planet. This is CoroHook. By joining our forces to find the best solution to this problem, we realized that a tool is needed which will make it possible to avoid unnecessary bare hand contact in everyday errands. Everyday objects such as light switches, door handles, trolleys, and similar are constantly exposed not only to contact, but also to other influences such as coughs and sneezes that can easily transmit the virus to you. Together, we can stop this. Our main goal is to prevent a direct contact of humans with the virus, and with your help and collected funds, expand the production of this item, which in its function will not only assist in everyday use, but will also constantly keep raising awareness of the gravity of the situation with its presence to ensure a high level of hygiene, which at this point is the most an individual can do for himself and others.